Hi guys, welcome to another video of series sharing experience. Today we'll learn how to scrape niche relevant emails with simple Google Doc and a bookmark script I have created. We'll learn how to create Google Doc to scrape emails, scraping niche relevant emails, scope and uses, few ideas about how you can use this script, and over to you. So let's start. How to create Google Doc to scrape emails. Let's go to Google. Now you have to think like for what niche you want to scrape the emails, why do you want to scrape the emails, etc. And depending on that, you have to create a doc. Like for example, I want to scrape email from Instagram for fashion influencers. So I'll put site colon instagram.com with fashion influencers in double quote. I'll see what it will do. Now it will give us list of fashion influencers who have put fashion in their bio, or I can remove influencers to get more broad, like who have put fashion in their Instagram list. I'll get the list of that profiles. So now to get the emails, what I'll do, I'll add plus sign and at gmail.com or at the rate yahoo.com or at the rate yahoo.co.in. Now you see it will give us the emails which they have put in their description. Now it will show that those emails in meta description of Instagram profiles. Now to get, now it will show 10 results. Now to get 100 results, you can go to settings and put the settings to show 100 results, or you can append and num equal to 100 in URL. Now you'll see 100 results in one query. Now to scrape them, these emails from meta description, I have created a simple script which you can put it in your bookmark. Like I'll show you. I'll open new tab to check my. Now this is the script. Email. Sorry, this one email tool. I have created it as bookmark. Now it will open this window. Click on scrape email. Simple. Now it will give you the list of emails from meta description. See how simple is it? Now how to install the script. I'll give you this code in description or in text file. You have to copy it and create a new bookmark. Give it name, scrape, email, go to more, and in URL, paste that script and save. Now we'll get a new bookmark, save in your bookmark list. Now open this query, search for this query in Google and click on this newly created bookmark, and this pop-up will open. Now click on it, you will get this list of emails scraped from meta description of the post. Okay, it's as simple as that. Now you have to be creative to find the emails, to find the niche relevant emails. You need to know what emails you want to scrape, where do you want to scrape, etc. Now to monetize it, you can use affiliate programs. Like you can promote any affiliate programs which provide email data, email templates. Like I have example of GrooveFunnel. I tried to promote GrooveFunnel. and I got 16 visitors and 1 signups using the exact trick. I use simple post. I created simple post on Blogspot and put a banner over here and enter my affiliate link with this banner and promoted this link with the emails I scraped from similar method. And for this, what I did is I want to target who want to sell e-commerce product online. So I want the customers who want to sell, who wants to use that platform. So what I can do is I can again go to create query instagram.com, and in description I can add my shopify.com. Now it will do is it will give me the list of bloggers or e-commerce who are using myshopify.com subdomain for to sell their e-commerce product. Now these are the hot leads, means they are using myshopify.com. They know Shopify, they know how to sell plat or how to sell online. Now if you give them new platform, Groove Sell, Groove Funnel, they are likely to be converted. And I got 16 clicks and got one sign up from, like, I tried for with just 100 emails. Few emails got in bounced and etc. But if you do it on scale, you can get good number of emails. Now if I try with this, it will give me the email of user who are using shopify.com to sell their product using Instagram. Okay, similarly you can brainstorm yourself, create your own query, or I will keep sharing new queries, new ideas in Facebook groups for you to brainstorm or monetize it. Or further, you can sell this as a service on Fiverr. Like you see, they are selling this service. They create real estate agents or doctor email and selling it at 390 rupees or like $5 on Fiverr. Like you see, there are many gigs available for this. They create similar email list, like niche email list. They create with similar or other method and selling it as service on Fiverr. Like if you have to provide this service, like they are providing real estate agents or doctor emails list of email. Now to find it, you can do what you can do is you can create your own query, like, and put doctor plus. Now you get list of doctors and you'll get list of emails who are doctors. Now you can promote any affiliate products to them, products to these doctors, or you can sell this email list on Fiverr. You can further niche down it to the location, like doctors in Chandigarh or doctors in your location, or doctor in country USA, doctors in India, or doctors in state. And again put and num equal to 100 in query to get 100 results. Now again scrape emails. Now get list of emails of doctors in Punjab. Now you can also use this to bulk send your rank and rent, which we are talking in Leadsathon 1. You can use this to sell leads to these doctors. You can use this method to bulk outreach doctors, bulk outreach your niche, bulk outreach your niche relevant business owners. You can similarly find emails with this method. So I have shared few ideas, scope. That's all for today. Now it's over to you. I'm excited to see how you are going to use it, how you are going to find the niche relevant emails to, and what you are going to promote. Looking forward for your case study in Facebook groups. So that's all for today. See you in next video. Bye.